In this video, we're going to look at Google Classroom and quizzes via Google Forms. And so we're going to go into Google Classroom, we're going to go into Classwork and Create. And we're going to do a quiz assignment. And so you're going to name this quiz. It's going to actually create a blank quiz for you. And grade importing is on. That means that whatever grade they receive on this quiz will transfer over and show up in Google Classroom. So it's super nice, great feature here. If I click on the blank quiz, then I can start creating from there. And so I would want to go into settings. Under quiz, it is a quiz. I can release the grade immediately upon submission. Different options here to figure out. I'm going to leave them as they are. And then you can put in answer feedback here. That's pretty nice. For incorrect answers, you can give them certain feedback. You can even link them to certain things or YouTube videos. And if they get correct answer, you can also give them feedback. And so you choose the correct answer for each question. So if I do a multiple choice and then I do answer key, I select the correct answer, and then I can also change the point value. So if I want this question to be 5 points. And then I keep adding in questions. It's going to automatically populate in Google Classroom. And then I'd set the point value for Google Classroom that it'll translate to, and maybe a due date. And then you just hit assign, and you'd be finished with that. It does look different if you are adding in a quiz that you've already created. I'll make another video for that and link that over.